Hello everyone, very good afternoon to all. I am Namida Rutvi with Daya Shreya today here with one experiment, that is light travels in a straight line. So let's see the experiment. For this experiment, we need some piece of cardboard, candle, matchsticks. So let's first check the methods. Let's arrange the cardboards. Now we will blow the candle. Now let's check, can we able to see the candle's light? Shreya, please check.
Yes, I'm checking. Yes, I'm able to see.
Yes, we are able to see the candle's light. Now Shreya, do one thing. Take one of the cardboard, move aside, and then check again.
No, Rutvi, I am not able to see.
Let me check. Yes, Shreya is right. The candle's light is not visible. Let me explain them observation.
Yes, Shreya. See the light from the other hand passing through the all holes of cards, and also see the light is visible on the plain paper.
But when we take the cardboards away,
Yes, Rutvi, see now the lighted candle is not visible on the plain paper.
Shreya, do you know the conclusion?
No, I don't know.
Okay, let me explain them. The conclusion is the light travels only in a straight line. I hope you have get a clear idea about this experiment. Thank you.